From yesterday, it is Kimi-K2. From last week's Grok 4 to Kimi-K2. We really don't know how things will evolve in next couple of months. Our focus is on giving practical examples of how we can make use of these models. Hi, welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we showcase hands-on demos and insights into AI automation and no-code tools. We have created several Make.com modules to simplify no-code automation for you. Subscribe and join us on this journey into the future of technology. A quick overview of Kimi-2. Kimi-K2 is open source. In order to get the API, we need to sign up with Moonshot AI directly. But instead, since we already have a paid Grok account, Grok allows the freedom to choose the open source model of our choice. Grok hosts them and lets us use it, be it Llama or other models. We will see that. Kimi-K2 Open Agentic Intelligence. There is K2 Base Foundation model, a strong start for researchers and builders who want full control for fine-tuning and custom solutions. Then Kimi-K2 Instruct, post-train model best for drop-in, general-purpose chat and agentic experience. It is a reflex-grade model without long thinking. So what we'll do is we will see how we can add thinking ability to this. Kimi-K2 Instruct is what we will use. And if you look at the performance, and most of the cases it is equal or ahead of rest of the models. Note that this is Grok Cloud, not GROK, it is GROQ. And if you check this drop down, there you will see Grok Kimi, there you will see Moonshot AI Kimi-K2 Instruct. This is what we will use. And you need access to this API key. I have the API key already. And we will use Agentic application to test this. First is, we will use the simple agent. No additional tools. We define the agent using Agnos Agentic library. And we change this to Moonshot AI Kimi-K2. I have already copied this code. So with this video, there is no code. We are just using the code sample from Agno. You need to sign up for a Grok API key and then just run it. So I will demonstrate running this. The Grok API key is already there in the .env file. And I have run1.sh, which is my Python environment that runs. This is the basic. Share a 3-line short motivational story. She limped to mile marker 23, shoes shredded. A stranger handed her a single shoelace, whispered, "Tie it and finish strong." She ran the last 3 miles with a borrowed lace and her own fire. Beautiful, isn't it? Long distance running is my passion. I'm a marathoner. Let's look at the code. Here we are using Kimi-K2. Now, in the next video, we will add more features to this agent, like we will use reasoning ability of DeepSeek into this agent. So stay tuned. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Your support really helps. Have ideas or suggestions? Drop them in the comments. Let's build together. At Shogini, we offer expert no-code Make.com and Python AI automation consulting with ready-to-use modules to jumpstart your projects. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.